Hey everyone, this is Divya from Taburingo Foodies. Diwali is just a week away, so today's recipe has to be festive special. It's one of my favorite snacks to enjoy during Diwali. It's called Shankarpari or Shakarpara. This sweet and crispy snack is usually made with maida or all-purpose flour, which we are going to replace with whole wheat flour, gram flour, semolina and some ground flax seeds. And the best part is, instead of deep frying, we are going to bake them in two ways, with and without oven, so they can be made and enjoyed by everyone. And don't you worry about the texture and taste, they are as crispy, flaky and yummy as the fried ones. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. We'll start by grinding the flax seeds. And the flaxseed powder is ready. We'll keep it aside. Now we'll powder the sugar. I'm using organic brown sugar. If you want, you can add white sugar as well. It's ready and we'll keep it aside as well. Now into a bowl, we'll add some ghee. Add in the powdered sugar and beat until it's creamy. Now we'll add in the whole wheat flour, gram flour or besan, semolina or suji, ground flax seeds, some salt to taste, half teaspoon baking powder, some carom seeds or ajwain, sesame seeds or til, and we'll give it a good mix. Now we'll add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons warm milk and make a soft dough out of it. The dough is ready and it's time to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Till the oven is heating, we'll prepare the Shakarpare. So we'll divide the dough in two parts. Now on a rolling board, we'll place the parchment paper. Now place the dough, cover it and flatten it out using a rolling pin. Now we'll cut this into diamond shapes. And they are absolutely ready to bake. We'll transfer them on a baking tray and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 26 minutes. And the Shakarpares are ready. Make sure to let them cool completely for the perfect crisp and crunch. Now for the no oven method, we'll preheat the kadhai for 5 minutes. Make sure the heat is on low. Place the kadhai and cover it for 5 minutes. It's well heated. Now we'll place the baking pan and cover it for 35 minutes. And the no oven Shakarpares are ready as well. Make sure to let them cool completely. These crispy Shakarpares are ready to enjoy. You can have them as they are or pair them with some ginger cardamom tea like I'm gonna do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have never made baked shakarpara before, do try them out on this Diwali and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon and keep watching for such interesting and tasty recipes from Taboo Tingoo Foodies. Till then, happy eating. I'll see you next time.